In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the location feature in QuickBooks Online. This handy tool can help you better manage your business finances by organizing your transactions according to different locations. Let's dive right in and take you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. So head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your QuickBooks credentials. Choose QuickBooks Online from the options given. This is important because you want to ensure you're accessing the correct service for your needs. Now, as you type in your username and password, pay special attention to accuracy. After entering your details, click Continue to move on. It's always a good idea to periodically check your saved passwords to ensure they're up to date to avoid this step becoming a snafu. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the settings. You may spot this as a gear icon, typically located towards the top right of your screen. Once you land in the settings menu, look for locations. Clicking on this will direct you to a space where you can manage different setup options that will really harness the power of location tracking. Now let's set up a new location. Click on the New button. Imagine this as preparing a new folder into which all of your location-specific transactions can be organized. Go ahead and add the class name you've just created. This class name will be the primary identifier for your new location. The class name helps you keep things in order, especially if you're dealing with multiple locations. After you've added the class name, it's time to choose which specific location applies to your class. This step is crucial because it ensures that your transactions are correctly categorized under the appropriate location. Clear categorization here aids in seamless reporting and financial clarity. Next, there's an option that says this location has a different title for sales forms. Click on it if you are dealing with distinct sales forms for different locations. This feature allows each location to maintain its uniqueness, especially in terms of branding and information dissemination. Finally, once all the details are set correctly, click on Save. This is the last but probably the most significant step, as it finalizes your inputs and effectively updates your account with this new location configuration. If you happen to second guess any of the setups, remember you can always revisit these steps and make necessary adjustments. And there you have it, a full walkthrough on how to use the location feature in QuickBooks Online. By following these instructions, you can efficiently manage transactions across various locations, leading to more streamlined financial oversight for your business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.